Today in this video you know about the single car garage door size. What will be the size of door required for single car garage? And this one is the single car garage door, and the dimension for single car garage should be 12 foot wide and 20 foot in length, or it may be 10 foot wide by 20 foot in length. This one is the standard dimension for single car garage, and you have to find the what is the standard dimension for garage door. Now we first make here a rough diagram to understand about the garage door framing system. Suppose this one is your door, and above the door the header is placed here, and this one is the jamb known as jack stud, and other jamb that is known as the king stud, and this one is the king stud, and there is the top plate providing additional support. There are cripple stud, and this is the door framing system, and this one is the height of your door by h, and this one is the width of door. What will be the height and width of single car garage door? And this is the top plate, and this one is the cripple stud, and this is header, and this one is king stud, like that, and this one is the two jack stud, and this one is sill plate, and the door size. Now the door size represented by the width, what will be their width and what will be the height. This one is the width, and this one is the height of door. Find out the width section and height of door. Now the common dimension for door for single car storage. What will be the dimension for single car garage door? First, it may be 8 foot wide by 7 foot height, 9 foot wide by 7 foot height, and the 10 foot wide by 7 foot height. And other dimension, that is 8 foot wide by 8 foot height, 9 foot wide by 8 foot height, and 10 foot wide by 8 foot height. And other dimension also, the 9 foot wide by 10 foot height, and 10 foot wide by 10 foot height. It means the height of single car garage door range between 7 to 8 foot, and the width may range between 8 foot to 10 foot. This one is the standard size of garage door for single car storage. Thank you.